welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now today, guys, I have a brand new box to my channel and I'm super excited to share this with you. I have been seeing this many times and my channel is like probably close to like a year and a half old, and I have not had the opportunity to try this yet. But I was watching someone named Southern Mom. Most of you guys probably know her. She's got a very big channel, and she had a discount link for this box for 30% off for the first time you want to try this. So I had to take advantage of that opportunity. Now I will leave a link right up here to her video that actually had the 30% off link. I don't have a discount link or I would give it to you. So I'm going to direct you to go watch her video and click her link if you're interested in getting this box. For those of you who don't know what SinglesSwag is, I had to write this down because like I said, it's a brand new box to my channel. It is a bath, beauty, jewelry, and fashion accessory box. They have two boxes. They have the Petite, which is what I ordered, and normally it is $24.99, but using that discount link that I told you about, I only paid $17.50, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products in the Petite size. Now, you could also try the full-size products, and you get 7 to 8 full-size products in that box, and that is $39.99. Okay, so definitely go click on Southern Mom's channel to take advantage of that discount if you're interested. Now, before we begin, I told you guys that I'm going to start incorporating some trivia just for fun in each video. And since this is a bath, beauty, wellness box, I thought I would do a beauty question. So I'm going to read the question, and at the end of the video, I will leave the answer. But this one's pretty easy. Well, you know, I didn't know this when I first started with skincare. So it's for those of you who are more into skincare, this is going to be an easy one. But for those of you maybe who are new to skincare, this is a very important question. And the question is, what should you apply first, a moisturizer or serum? Now, when I was first starting out, I would have given the wrong answers to that one. So stay tuned to the end of the video if you're interested in knowing the answer to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. I've already pre-cut this, and I'm excited to share this box with you. Now, when you open it, this is the way it looks. It has a nice wrapping paper. It's nicely packaged, really it is. And they also give you a little card. Let's go ahead and get right into this, guys. And this is not about being single. You do not have to be single to get this. Why do they call it SinglesSwag? I really don't know, but you don't have to be single. Now there are, it looks like 5 items in this box, so let's go ahead. And the first one out, this is probably going to be the jewelry piece that I see. And this says this is a coral pink long necklace and earring set for the price of $58. And it says make a bold statement with this chic, stylish, semi-precious stone long necklace. Ooh! An earring set in gold. Necklace measures 30-inch with a 3-inch extender. Well, that is absolutely beautiful. I really love that. That is very simple and elegant. Okay, so that's not a bad start. Price $58, I don't know, but I'm grateful to have it. Okay, so I'm going to pick the next item out of the box here, and this is by Birds, and these are famous cookies. I'd be giving these to my husbands. I only have one husband, and this is called Key Lime Coolers. And this says these are the postcard pack. And it does have a very vintagey postcard pack look. It says indulge in these delectable bite-sized award-winning cookies based in small batches in Savannah, Georgia. And the price of that is $4. So that is awesome and great. And this is guys, I have not, out of all these beauty boxes that I have got, believe it or not, I have never tried this, a Spongel. I have seen everybody get these, and for some reason, I have never got one in my box. So now I have one, yay. And this is, you have my Heart Body Wash Infused Buffer, and these are $20. And it says, love your skin with this multi-use heart-shaped body wash. Aw, that is perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. and restore every inch of your body. This all-in-one beauty treatment is dermatologist tested, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made with love in the USA. Aw, that everybody raves about this too, so I am so happy to have that. So now I finally get my first sponge gel and I get to try it out. Now the next item out is this, and this is the Positivity Kit. Instant happiness on every page. And we all need a little bit of that, don't we? And this is by Lisa Curry, and this is retail value $15. And the Positivity Kit is designed to deliver joy, comfort, and smile whenever you need them, brimming with surprising and fun prompts and activities that focus on the good things in life. This interactive book is guaranteed to cheer up even the grumpiest person on the gloomiest day. Okay, so when I'm having a hard day, I'm gonna probably reach for this and look for something positive in here. Let me, okay, here's the first thing that I turn to. The best things in life are free, for example. So what would you guys put? What would be your first answer in this page? I would say the best things in life are free are love. My husband and my daughter's love. That probably means the most to me and can really make my day. What would you guys say? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, and here is the last thing, and this is Dirty Little Secret Lip Oil. And this value is $28, and it says designed to keep your lips hydrated and moisturized no matter what. No, Kitty, my cat's locked in here, and now she's trying to get out, and she's gonna knock my studio light over. Kitty, go lay down until I'm done. I'm almost done. Be nice. Okay, designed to keep your lips hydrated and moisturized no matter what the temperature, perfect for warm or cold climates. And I am in a cold climate. I'm in Ohio and we are having a freeze right now. We are below zero. The temperatures, yes, I will definitely use this. The oil melts onto your lips to condition and soften while sealing in hydration, providing hours of iridescent shine. So, guys, I paid $17.50 for this, and the retail value of this is $125. And this is the February 2021 box. So let me put this on right now and see. I have a mirror right there. It has a nice little strawberry flavor. I like. So this is a lovely kit, I think, for $17.50. I'm happy I tried it out. Now, if you guys would like to try it, like I said, I will leave a link up here to Southern Moms. Definitely take advantage of her 30% off coupon. That's a good deal to get started with this. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm probably going to stick with this for a couple months and see how it continues on if I keep getting all these wonderful products. I am happy I got the sponge gel. This I will definitely use, and I love jewelry. Who doesn't? The only thing I probably won't do is the cookies, and that's because I'm trying to be good right now. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. Oh, I have to give you the answer to the trivia question, don't I? Almost forgot. Okay. Now, when I was first starting out in skincare, I made a whole bunch of mistakes. But what should you apply first, the moisturizer or serum? The answer is serum. The order in which you put on skincare products makes a difference in the way they work. Because most moisturizers are fairly thick, it's best to apply the serum first so it can properly penetrate the skin. So there you go. For those of you who wanted to know the answer to that, there you go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video today. I have